Last week, we bought the Aussie at this level and we bought it here. We did that live on YouTube. If you missed those videos, they are on YouTube right now. You can go and watch them because they also have some educational stuff in there for you. This week, we'll be selling the Aussie. So Aussie is making a flag here. And if that proves to be a flag, we'll be selling it to this level. And then there is a chance this structure could break out. So if that happens all week, we will be selling Aussie all the way to the bottom here. Now, can Aussie actually make another up move? Yes, we're still in this consolidation. And that means this can still go up more within the consolidation. But at the point where it is right now, for it to go back up more, we will have to make a corrective structure up here. Come back like this, and then make the next move. So if we see that this move is becoming like this one, you might not get a trade until this final impulse happens. Or it could go up slowly like this one. You might not even get a trade, but you can get this trade here, and you can get that trade there, which means this week we're definitely going to get a few good trades in the Aussie. So once those will be small trades, we're taking them, very nice small trades we're getting. But once that breaks, that is where your account is going to go crazy. Come to the bottom here. Now, if you understand that, you will also understand that when it gets to the bottom here, the next possible thing it can do is, you see the sharp move up there? You better be ready for that sharp move up. So from which point? Remember when we broke the low here, we said, okay, watch this to go up, and this could possibly be that move. If not, they will make deeper corrections. Now, let's assume that this is not coming to break the low. Then it will break down to somewhere here and then start to go back up. And that would be the start of the big move. It means this would be the start of this impulse, and this would all be the correction. But the way we're looking at it, the way I see the structure, is that this is the correction. We're going to retest the low and then go. Those are all trades we will take this week. So the first trade we will take this week is the Aussie sell if we get it. Tomorrow morning, this will be a sell setup unless it goes back higher. So if it is to climb higher, this is to climb much higher like this slowly and make any flag here, we'll buy it. So if you get a flag here, we'll buy. If you get a flag here, we'll buy. But we know that it's coming here and then it's going to drop. After which you go back up and then you drop. So this will be trade setup. That will be trade setup, even if you don't get anything here. Now, it is not as easy to do as I just showed you. And that is why we do it live in the trading room. And you can all have access to everything we do live in the trading room, including access to all of these. I mean, we look at every single possible trade setups on that entire list I'm showing you here. This entire list here, right? And I'll scroll up and down the list and you'll see it's a pretty large one. So you can see all of that done live in front of you if you want to. If that will aid your trading. If that's useless to you, well, then this video is not for you. In terms of me showing you all the trade setups here now, and I explain why they're pretty useless to you, not only me, any guru who give you a 1 week forecast is pretty useless if you're a day trader, right? If you trade on the chart on the 1 hour and on the 15 minutes, all of those are useless to you because they change pretty often. Right? Friday afternoon, remember I told you this was a buy, but we actually took that buy. One of my traders took it in the news and we had to close it for a small loss. The rest of them didn't tag. Aussie was the only one that tagged. During the week, we traded news 3 times. 2 times was amazing. The 3rd time was a small loss only in the Aussie. The rest of the trades did not tag. And now we're looking for the sell. So this was a sell Friday afternoon. If you remember, I told my traders, once it comes here and make a flag, you can go for that trade. So what we're going to expect here is a deeper correction and a drop. And I hope this drops through the bottom because once it does that, we're going to have a number of trades going down. So if you want to see everything, I can go through them, but it's going to be useless to you. I know it's going to be. And if you followed me last week, and if you don't know why it's going to be useless, go watch all the videos we did last week. You will see step by step how we analyze it, how we take the trades, and what we're looking for. So how can you get access to my videos? Well, I explained it in all those videos every day, but I'm going to tell you again here. Send me a Skype message. My Skype ID is MANGAL457. Sorry, I was trying to type there. Type MANGAL457. Send me a Skype message. I'll send you the details. It's very simple. You can start by paying the installment for 1 month. That's $100. And we will give you, if you pay by the end of this month, we will give you 2 months access to make the decision. So you will have 2 months to trade with us every single day, 2 sessions a day, 7:45 London, 7:45 New York. Those are the times you will have access to the room. The room is open 24/7 for my traders, the full-time traders who are in the course, who took the course already. The money you paid will go towards paying the course. So you'll be getting that free. For 2 months, you will have to make a decision. Is this beneficial to you or not? Now, that's about 20, that 2 months, that is 20-day trading days a month. So that's 40 trading days multiplied by 2 because you're going to get 2 sessions a day. That's 80 sessions for $100. That's about $1 and a few cents a session if you don't take it anymore, right? If you give up, if you said this is not what you want, you're only going to pay $1 something per session, which is giveaway, right? Pretty much it's useless. You won't get anything for $1 something unless you go to the dollar store, and whatever you're buying in the dollar store will not have the value of what I'm going to give you. So it's kind of symbolic. We want you to make the decision. We want you to see what we're doing for a few months, and then you can make your own decision. Whether you want to take the course full and learn how to do this as an independent trader, or whether you would like to follow us slowly until you gather enough money and then take the course full. Thank you. I'm going to leave you with that message because Monday morning, I'm hoping to see you in the group live. Have a great weekend and trade with care. If you don't join us, just be careful. It's not as easy as you think, right? And you're not going to learn it in 15 minutes. So take care, trade with care. Bye. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.